Ollie stopped walking. Right there on the ground, near the school parking lot, was a crisp $100 bill. No teacher. No students. No cars moving nearby. Just Ollie and the money. $100? Ollie whispered. Ollie looked left. Nobody. He looked right. Nobody. Then he quickly picked it up and slipped it into his pocket. Ollie thought he had just found the luckiest money in the world. But something did not feel right. On the walk home, Ollie's imagination started running wild. I could buy that new soccer ball, he thought. And new headphones. And maybe even a gaming controller. In his mind, the soccer ball bounced beside him. Headphones floated through the air. A shiny game controller spun like treasure. For a moment, Ollie felt excited. Then his hand touched the pocket with the money. The excitement faded. That strange feeling came back. That evening, Ollie sat at dinner unusually quiet. He barely touched his food. His hand kept drifting toward his pocket. Dad noticed immediately. You've been staring at your pocket all evening, Dad said. Ollie froze. Is there something you want to tell me? Ollie opened his mouth. Then closed it. Not really, he said. But his heart knew that was not true. The next day at school, Ollie walked down the hallway with the money still in his backpack. Then he heard a student talking nearby. I lost my birthday money yesterday, the student said. Ollie slowed down. My grandmother gave me $100. I have been searching everywhere. Ollie's heart sank. $100. The exact amount. Suddenly, Ollie knew why he felt uncomfortable. That evening, Ollie told Dad everything. Dad listened calmly. Then he brought out a small compass. A compass? Ollie asked. Dad said, if a compass points north and something tells you to go south, what should you trust? The compass. Allah gave believers something similar. Dad pointed gently toward Ollie's chest. Your conscience. When your heart feels uneasy, it can be a warning to stop and think. Ollie looked down. So that weird feeling was not random? No, Dad said. Sometimes it is a mercy. Dad sat beside Ollie. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, taught, leave that which makes you doubt for that which does not make you doubt. Ollie listened carefully. Dad said, when something feels wrong, when your heart feels tight, when you are not sure if it is right, do not rush forward. Stop. Choose the path that gives your heart peace. Ollie said, keeping the money does not feel peaceful. Dad smiled gently. Then you already know what to do. The next day, Ollie saw the student in the courtyard. The money was in Ollie's pocket. His hands felt shaky. His heart beat fast. For 1 second, he imagined the soccer ball again. Then he remembered the Hadith. Leave what makes you doubt. Choose what brings peace. Excuse me, Ollie said. Is this yours? Ollie held out the $100 bill. The student's eyes widened. My birthday money. Ollie handed it over. The student smiled with relief. Thank you. I thought it was gone forever. Ollie took a deep breath. For the first time all week, the heavy feeling disappeared. He felt completely at peace. Later that day, the student came back to Ollie on the playground. He was holding a small box of chocolates. My grandmother wanted me to thank you. Ollie laughed softly. I almost traded peace of mind for a soccer ball. They both smiled. Ollie realized something important. The reward for doing the right thing was not just chocolate. It was the calm feeling inside his heart. When something does not feel right, stop and think. The right choice brings peace to your heart. Today Ollie learned, leave what makes you doubt and choose what gives your heart peace. What choice can you make today that brings peace to your heart? Maybe telling the truth. Maybe returning something that is not yours. Maybe walking away from something doubtful. See you next time on Ollie Learns.